Do you know the signs of zinc deficiency? Zinc, an essential mineral, plays a critical role in our bodies. It's pivotal for cell growth, immune function, and metabolism. But what happens when we don't get enough of it? Zinc deficiency can lead to a variety of health issues, and it often manifests through a range of symptoms. Recognizing these signs is the first step towards addressing this deficiency. Now, let's dive into the 7 signs and symptoms of zinc deficiency. First, we have a decreased ability to taste and smell. That's right, one of the first signs of zinc deficiency is a change in your senses. You might find that your favorite foods don't taste quite as vibrant, or the scent of fresh flowers isn't as sweet. This happens because zinc plays a crucial role in how our cells function, including those involved in taste and smell. Next, let's talk about appetite loss. When you're deficient in zinc, your body may not feel the need to eat. You might find yourself skipping meals or not feeling hungry, even when you haven't eaten in a while. This can lead to weight loss and other health problems if not addressed. The third sign is hair loss. Now, it's normal to lose a few strands here and there, but if you start noticing more hair in your brush or on your pillow, it could be due to low zinc levels. Zinc is essential for hair growth and repair, so a deficiency can lead to thinning or even balding. Moving on, impaired immune function is another sign of zinc deficiency. Zinc is vital for a healthy immune system. If you're catching colds more frequently or find it harder to bounce back from an illness, it could be a sign that your body's defense system isn't getting the zinc it needs. Diarrhea is the 5th symptom on our list. Zinc helps with digestion and nutrient absorption. Without enough of it, your body can't properly digest food, leading to diarrhea or other digestive issues. Next, we have slow healing of wounds. Zinc plays a key role in skin health and wound healing. If you've noticed that cuts or scrapes take longer than usual to heal, or if skin conditions like acne or eczema have become worse, it could be a sign of zinc deficiency. Finally, decreased alertness or lethargy can be a sign of zinc deficiency. Zinc is crucial for brain function and energy levels. If you're feeling unusually tired or have trouble focusing, it might be because your body isn't getting enough zinc. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical advice. Don't ignore these warning signs. Your body is telling you it needs help. Remember, diet is a great way to get more zinc, but sometimes supplements might be necessary. Always consult with a healthcare professional to determine what's best for you. Zinc deficiency is more common than you might think, but it's also easily treatable. Don't let it stand in the way of your health and well-being. So, we've covered the 7 signs and symptoms of zinc deficiency. Let's do a swift recap. The first sign to watch out for is loss of appetite. This can be followed by a decreased sense of taste and smell. The third symptom is slow wound healing, while the fourth is skin issues like acne or rashes. Hair loss is the 5th sign, and 6th is an impaired immune function. Lastly, zinc deficiency may lead to changes in vision. If you notice any of these signs, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. Don't self-diagnose or self-treat. It's always safer to seek expert advice. To avoid such deficiencies, remember the importance of a balanced diet. Foods rich in zinc include meat, shellfish, legumes, seeds, nuts, dairy, eggs, and whole grains. But don't go overboard. Too much of a good thing can also be harmful. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay informed, stay healthy.